Hi there, my name is Sarah Jane Cruikshank and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the web analyzer that IML have recently launched. Now I've been with IML for about 5 months now, and originally I was just doing the swipe trades. I'm starting to look at the harmonic scanner, but then this product got launched and it suits my trading style down to a T. I am, I suppose you could call, a bit of a scalp trader. I like to get a signal, I like to go in, I like to grab some pips, and I like to get out. I'm not one of these traders that, you know, goes in for hour-long sessions or swing trades or things that go on for weeks. That's not me. Or maybe I'm a little bit of an adrenaline junkie and I like to get in, grab my pips and get out. So when IML launched this web analyzer, I was just blown away. This is just exactly what I wanted. This is exactly suits me down to the ground. And it really works. Right, let me show you what you do. What happens is, it analyses everything. It analyses the markets, the news, the indicators, everything is included with the web analyzer. So what happens is, down the side here, you get alerts of potential sales or potential buys in the marketplace. And what you do is you look at these. So you look at the pair. So this, let's take this one as an example. Great British Pound against the US dollar. It's on a 5-minute chart and the price was called at 1.3197. Right, so this is the chart that's come up here. So this was called at 9:04. So let me just see. Do you see the little grey bit down the bottom there? That tells you what time this was called. So it was called around sort of here. Right about here. Let me just move this little indicator a little bit. So that's 8:55, so that's close enough to the 9:05 when it was called. As you can see, they said there was going to be a potential sale on this market. So what I would have done at this point was I would have looked at this and thought, oh yeah, well, you know, that candle's starting to go red, that looks fantastic. I would come and look at the RSI and see that that is quite high. That's right up in the 60s, so this is bound to come down. So that's another good indication. And the MACD as well is looking very promising for this one. So what I would do then is, you can check the news to make sure nothing crazy is going on. But what also I do then is I go to a site called Forex Factory and I look at if there's anything flagged in red for that particular pair. Now, the particular pair that they were calling was Great British Pound against the US dollar. So I would look, when was this called? This was called today. So Thursday the 16th of November. So there is like a little bit of a red flag here for the Great British Pound. So it might swing the wrong way. It might not be a very strong signal. There's another one there, look. But you can look at the times of these. This was called at 9 in the morning. So there is one around 9:30. So unless you get into this trade about 9 o'clock, at 9:30 it could go terribly wrong, right? So I look at that as well. But this one was called at 9 o'clock, so I would probably jump in this and grab these pips. So then what I would do is I would use my phone app. I would go to MetaTrader 4 on my phone. I would find the Great British Pound US dollar pair, which is there. I would then hit trade. And what I do is I don't put anything in this apart from a market execution for a sale. So I just press sale for a market, right? And then I watch it. I don't move from that because I haven't put a stop loss in, which you have to do. If you're leaving a trade running, put a stop loss in. But because I will sit here and I will look at this and I will watch, and look, I would have got in here, I would have gone instantly in for a sale, and then I would have grabbed these pips as it came down. See this section here, it came down. And then as soon as it started to show a little bit of green and going the wrong way, I get out. That's it. I've grabbed my pips for that time. I'm in and I'm out. It's brilliant. It works so well for me. But I would highly recommend, if you're doing this, you put stop losses in, because, you know, some markets can go the wrong way and don't get caught out by that. But let me just show you. Right, this was one that I did just using the web analyzer. Let me get in the camera. Look, 7 out of 7 wins. 7 out of 7 wins using the web analyzer, because I'm using this strategy. I go in, I look at the pair, I check there's nothing crazy going on in the markets, I get in, I grab some pips and I get out. You can check it also against your harmonic scanners to see if what's going on, you know, sort of on a long term range, look at all indicators. But I'm a very basic, simple trader. I don't get involved in all the technical stuff. I just look, I get in and I get out. So if that's your kind of style of trading, this web analyzer is incredible. It also is incredible if you really do want to look at indicators, because it gives you a starting point. It gives you a pair that you need to go and you need to check out. You need to go and find out if that pair is worth trading on. So I am loving this web analyzer, especially when I'm getting, look, this was a 7 out of 7 win, right? But this doesn't happen all the time. On average, I'm getting sort of 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10 wins with this. Sometimes, you know, I don't always get in at the right time, or, you know, it goes slightly the wrong way. But on average, 6 out of 7 out of 10, 6 or 7 out of 10 wins I'm getting with this. This was a great day. 7 out of 7. Look, but I've still got 3 more to go on this one, so I could lose the next 3. But that's Forex trading for you. But I love it. I love what they've done here. Everything is covered. Look, you've got news stories coming up on your feed. You've got indicators already set. And you've got all these incredible signals, and you get loads of signals as well. So if you're like me and you're sitting at your desk and you just go in and go out and grab some signals, it's perfect. So what an incredible addition to the IML package. What an incredible addition to trading. And I absolutely love it. So if you're a bit of a scalp trader like me, please check out the web analyzer. It's worth joining IML just to get this web analyzer. It's insane. I love it. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me. My name is Sarah Jane Cruikshank and I'm from Essex. And have an awesome day, and I'm back to trading now. Bye bye.